Konnichiwa minasan, my name is Jake. Welcome to our channel, Gen X Jake. For today's video, we are going to do a review of the newest product from Mocreo, the Mocreo LW1 LoRa long-range water leak sensor. But before we proceed, I would like to give thanks to Mocreo for sending me this product to be reviewed. Disclaimer, even if Mocreo has sent me this product, I will be 100% honest to whatever I think what is good of it, the pro and the cons of it. Without any further ado, let's start the review of the Mocreo LW1 long-range water leak sensor. Compact and efficient, the LW1 features a space-saving design, measuring only 3 by 2 by 1 inches, perfect for tight or hidden spots. It supports both local and remote leak detection, automatically activating alarms when water is detected. When paired with the H5 Pro or H6 Pro LoRa hub, it reaches up to 1,640 feet of open range coverage. It offers precise leak detection and pinpoint location accuracy for early warnings. The built-in freeze prevention alert warns you when the temperature drops to 0 degrees Celsius, helping you avoid pipe bursts during winter. Alarm volume is also fully adjustable. Customize your monitoring alerts. Choose between app push notifications, SMS, email, or 105 decibel red light and beep alarm. And yes, it's IP67 waterproof, built tough to handle spills and temporary submersions. Application setup. To begin, download the Mocreo app from the App Store. If you already have previous Mocreo devices set up, tap the plus sign in the upper right corner to add your new device. Next, choose Scan. Then scan the QR code found behind your LW1 sensor. Once scanned, it will automatically add your LW1 to the application. After adding, you can assign the LW1 to a specific room and give it a custom name for easy identification. Follow the setup guide for the first data report and select your preferred alert methods via app push, email, SMS, sensor beep, or hub beep. You'll also find instructions for testing notifications here. Once setup is complete, you can view your LW1 inside the Mocreo application. Since this is a pre-production model, the included batteries weren't replaced. But that gives us a perfect chance to show how easy it is to change them. According to Mocreo, the LW1 has a 2-year battery life using standard AAA batteries. After opening the sensor, you can see the build quality. It is excellent, sturdy and well sealed for water resistance. To replace the batteries, simply remove the 2 AAA batteries. Pop in new ones and close the cover securely. Tighten all 4 screws evenly. And don't forget to reinstall the rubber covers over the screw holes. That keeps the IP67 waterproofing intact. Location setup sample. For the first location, I placed the LW1 sensor near the toilet's water supply, a common area for hidden leaks. Next, under the powder room sink. It's a great example since the drain and both hot and cold water lines are all close together. And finally, underneath the washing machine. Another high-risk leak point, where early detection can prevent major damage. Testing the sensor. To test the sensor, I poured about 10 milliliters of water beside the LW1 to simulate a leak from below. The sensor detected it instantly, beeping loudly while sending an alert to my phone and triggering the H5 Pro Hub's alarm. Repeating the test from the top produced the same results. Fast detection, immediate alerts from both the sensor and hub. And now, let's proceed to the pros and the cons. Pros: local and remote leak detection up to 1640 feet with the H5 Pro hub. Accurate sensing from both top and bottom, plus level-based leak detection. Third, freeze alert activates 0 degrees or below. Fourth, multiple alerts method. Application, SMS, email, and the buzzer. Fifth, adjustable alarm volume with 4 settings. Sixth, smart app control. No subscription required at all. Number 7, IP67 waterproof design. Number 8, compact and space saving. Number 9, up to 2-year battery life. Number 10, Alexa skill integration. Currently US only. Number 11, home assistant integration via Bluetooth. Cons. Number 1 con is that I cannot add it to the Amazon A scale since it is limited to the US region only. I am living here in Japan, so it is not supported for now. But according to Mocreo, in the future it will be supported. Number 2, second con. So home assistant support. So it has a certain limitation. I am using a ESP32 as a BLE listener. It detects the BLE sensors but it cannot effectively fetch the data. So according also to Mocreo, in the future they will apply updates to this. So I think that is it for the review of the LW1 long range water leak sensor from Mocreo. If you want a high quality long range water leak sensor, this is definitely it. So I think that is it. See you in the next one. Bye. Peace.